Hi guys. So I have ridden this bike for about 22,000 kilometers yet, and it's been about 1 year. And throughout owning this bike, I have noticed few weird quirks and features. I'm about to show you right away. Number one, the headlight. When you switch on the ignition, this is the DRLs, and when you turn on the bike, you have the headlights. But when you switch off the bike, the headlight doesn't go off. Second, for you to charge your phone, you have a Type-C port right beneath your handlebar. For that, you need to switch on the bike. I mean, not the ignition, but completely switch on the bike, and then the charging starts. And if you need to continue the charging, you can just switch off your bike. Number three, the gear shifts are obnoxiously loud, and sometimes it's quite disturbing. There are two ways to reset your trip. Hold your joystick towards left. Another method is to push your joystick towards up, down, press it, reset the trip to confirm. Back. Yeah, you got it.
Another feature would be you can change your modes on the go. You just need to cut off your throttle and pull the clutch off. Here is more button. You can see the mode has been changed.
Whichever number we are on next, the clutch is very heavy. So good luck with the fingers on traffic. So another one is to do with the design of the bike. So Guerrilla is loved for its rear design. Actually on rainy season, it's a nightmare to ride this bike. If you have no mudguard on the rear, all the mud is thrown towards you and it reaches literally till your head behind your helmet. If you may ask me why haven't I gone with a mudguard, for me personally it's aesthetic over practicality.
Another cool feature with your TFT display is you can zoom in and zoom out the map. Just use a joystick to do that.
Another feature of Guerrilla, you have the thickest tire in the segment. 160 by 60 R17. You will find it only in this bike in this segment. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if your Guerrilla has it or not, but I have seen many good Guerrillas who doesn't have this particular part, that is your brake cylinder cover. So you may easily lose it while you're riding the bike. So there's a trick to lock it. Just put it in and just twist it towards right, and it's locked. I lost it once. I stole it from my friend's bike.